Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. If you want to enable cart checkout for your Wix booking site, here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and scroll down, then click Settings. And on the search bar, look for Booking Settings. Select Booking Settings, Bookings Cart Checkout. On this page, scroll down to the bottom and select Client Booking Flow. And then on this page, go to the bottom until you reach the Checkout Settings section. Here it is. Make sure that you enable your cart. And when you enable it, it means you allow clients to pay for multiple services and products at once. Once you enable that, go back to the top and click on Save to save your new settings. And that's it. That's how you enable cart checkout for your Wix booking site. We hope you found this video helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.